Prep Test 62, Game 4, Question 22. The question is, which pair cannot go third and fourth, respectively? So we've got our rules and our inferences up here. I'm going to give myself a couple of different master diagrams to work with, since these cannot questions often require a little bit of trial and error. So we want a pair that cannot fit in the third and fourth positions. So let's try A. I'm going to try and force them into the third and fourth positions. So if we place M and T in 3 and 4, the thing I immediately notice is that we can't have TM, so we must have WM. So if we place a W right there, I notice already that U would have to go in the first spot, because U has to come before W, right? And what do we have left? We have R and S left. A rule up here tells us we need to see ST or SU. And unfortunately, with R and S at the end here, there's no way to get either one of those. So right off the bat, I'm already thinking that A looks like a pretty good answer choice. But let's try a couple of the other ones just to confirm that. Answer choice B. Can R and S go in the third and fourth spots? R, S. So if we have R and S in the third and fourth spots, it means that U needs to be in one of the first two. It also means that T will have to go in spot 5 to fit this rule. And we need TM or WM. And I can tell you right now, if U is one of these first two, we can't get WM anywhere. So M's going to have to go there. And we'll have to see U, W. That works just fine. What about S and U in the third and fourth spots? Well, let's just try it right above this one here. SU, right off the bat, takes care of this rule. If U is here at the end, we need R and W to go after it. No problem there. And we have T and M left. We need a TM. And there it is. That's just fine. What about T and R? Let's try it right here. T and R. Well, if T is here, we can't have TM, so we need a spot for WM. Can't put a W in the first spot, so we better put a W right there. Our only remaining letters are U and S. We need an SU. And there it is. Fine. And finally, answer choice E. If we put U and W right there, R is going to have to be in one of these last two spots. And we also still need a TM or a WM. So let's look at what we're going to need here. Oh, and we need an ST or SU. So let's give ourselves, let's say an SU. Put a T up here, an M right here, and an R right there. We have followed all the rules. We made it work. A is indeed the correct answer.